Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you sweet and sour chicken stir fry. So I'm going to show you the process and the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. So I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. This is just going to be a quick lunchtime recipe what you can do for your lunch, or you can do it for your dinner as well. But this is going to be a very quick recipe, so bear that in mind. Right everybody, so this is our ingredients what we're going to be using today. We've got some mixed veg, which is cabbage, bean sprouts, got bamboo shoots, carrots, just like general mixed veg, sweet peppers and everything's in there as well. We've got some lump sugar. We've got some chopped chicken. We've got our rice noodles, which is already pre-cooked, and we've got our sweet and sour sauce. So that's our ingredients. All these products you can find in your supermarket, some in the chill section and some on the shelves. So that's all what we're using today, just to do a quick time lunch thing. So I'm going to put our wok on. We've just got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. So you want that on a medium high, because you know Chinese food cooks on a high heat. So we're going to coat our pan. I'm going to put in our lump sugar now. So you want this to go to a nice caramel colour. When the lump sugar's melted, it goes to like a caramel colour. That's the time you're going to put in your rest of the ingredients. So if you want to know where to get this lump sugar from, you get it from the Chinese shop. You might get it in some Indian shops as well. But someone said to me it also acts as a tenderizer for when you're doing pork and fried meats and all that. It acts as a tenderizer, so I don't know how true that is. So we're just going to let that warm through. Don't want it smoking too much, just want the sugar to start dissolving. As you can see, it's starting to break up now once it gets hot. So we're going to let this continue melting, and once it's got down we'll come back to you. Right, so as you can see, the sugar's starting to melt out now. That's where you want it to have a nice toughish thing to it, so you don't want to burn it. So to that now, I'm going to be adding our mixed veg. So we're just going to give it a stir through now. So you just need to keep an eye on that. It's going to start to spring its own water soon. When they cut these things up, they don't cut them up fine enough, so they're quite big. And it's up to you how you want to do your veg. If you want to do them soft, then you can do them soft. If you want them to have a bit of bite to them, which is how the Chinese do it. So it's up to you how you want to do it. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave comments in the comment section. We do answer them. And if there's anything what you would like to know, let us know. If there's anything what you want to see us cook, let me know. I'll see if I can find the ingredients to do it. We're getting a few requests coming in, but like I have to cipher through the messages to know what is what, because our channel was compromised a bit according to YouTube, which they should have picked up from the beginning, and let us know. But they wait till when we thought we was getting somewhere, and then it's just like a bombshell what's dropped on us, like we've gone right back to a beginning stage. So if you've seen low views on our videos and then you're seeing some high views, it's because at the moment we're not really too sure where the channel is, but we're still putting content and to keep in contact with YouTube and make sure that everything's running up according to how it should be, because the music what we've got on our channel, someone tried to claim a copyright on it and said it was their music, and when YouTube found out it doesn't belong to them. So all them things, we don't know if it's a backlash from that, because they've got a thing what they say, people use robots or something to put views on your channel, you know, which is not really a nice thing to do when you're doing contents, and you know you have to go out and constantly be doing things, and then to find out in the end now that what you've been doing isn't of benefit. But at the moment, if you see the ads still on the channel, please watch the ad, it supports us. You can see that everything in the shops are sky high at the moment, and you know we're just trying to bring you the best content that we can put out there. And thank you to all those who have subscribed and have supported us from the beginning. We really appreciate that. And to all those who are watching and not subscribed, just doesn't take that long to subscribe, it's just a button what you press. Right, so we've got that to where we want it to be. So I'm going to add our chicken to that now, which is just some chopped chicken. Break that in a bit, some of the pieces are quite big. So we're not going for the soft one. Soon I'm going to be showing you some videos from my garden, because now it's garden season, and I like to, you know, do some videos out in my garden. I'm going to be planting up some of my veg, what I use. So you're going to see some of those videos. Right, so we're going to put in our sweet and sour sauce. So like I said, this one, just a quick recipe. So we've put quite a few videos out there now, and we want to hear back some feedback from you. Are you liking the content, what you're seeing? If you've tried any of our recipes, or if you've adapted any of our recipes. Because cooking is a trial and error thing where you do different things, you put different ingredients in, and then you see what it's like. And that's how many of my recipes I've learned how to do. The same like with my cake making. You know, we've had many acclaims for our cakes. A lot of people's asked me for my recipe, but that's something what I won't be giving them. It's just been trial and error from growing up. We was doing all family wedding cakes and everything. So you know, it's something that we've not just started or done. I've been doing it from when I was cakes from when I was about 14, 15. So I've got all the recipes in my head. If you can do a wedding cake and that and not use no measurements and everything, then you know what it is. So we're going to put in our noodles now. I'm going to eat this, just mix this in as well. So it's just really to heat the noodles back up. So that's how quickly you can put a meal together. All these products are on the shelves in the supermarkets. You can buy packets of stir fry. They've got the sauces already done for you. And all you got to do is put your wok on and put your ingredients in. And you've got yourself a meal. So there you can see. So I'm just going to let this heat through a bit more. Then I'm going to plate up a bit and show you what it looks like on a plate. Right everybody, this is our sweet and sour chicken stir fry on a plate. This is how it looks on the plate. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And we'll see you all on the next one. Thank you for watching.